Hey guys, Rob here. I want to ask you today, who is most likely to buy your coaching or consulting service? Is it the person that likes your posts, comments on your posts, or shares your posts? What do you think? Well, there's actually a fourth type of person that no one actually really thinks of. And it isn't the person who likes posts, it isn't the person who comments on content, and it isn't the person who shares content. It's actually the silent watcher. Okay, this is the person who actually will most likely buy from you. It's the person that follows you around and actually enjoys your content and gets a lot out of it and thinks about it and often doesn't actually like, comment or share it just because they like to do their own research. They're quite picky about what they buy from and what they buy overall. And usually you'll find this person will go and visit your LinkedIn. They'll go and visit your Facebook. They'll go and look at your client testimonials or your recommendations. And they might go to your YouTube as well and scope you out and have a look at like what you're about. And the thing is with the silent watcher, they always enjoy what they're seeing, right? So they just sit there and they watch it, and they're the most likely people that are actually going to buy your content. So if you're like sitting there and you're not getting any likes, comments or shares on any of your content, do not worry, because the silent watchers are usually the ones that are interested and are usually the best clients that come out of posting content. Okay guys, hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comments if you've had any silent watchers that have ended up becoming clients, and also let me know if you disagree with me as well. That'd be interesting to hear. Okay.